Hi, everybody. I just wanted to touch base with you. Um, I have been grading the midterms. I'm finishing up the grades this weekend, and they're not as great as I thought they would be. So, what I have a couple of suggestions for our course moving forward. Okay. I think there's a couple of issues I want to address. One is your midterm grade. I think a lot of you are concerned about it because I've received several emails about that. And so that is one area of concern. Another area of concern, more what I'm worried about is what you're learning. Are you absorbing the material? And it looks like that there's a disconnect there. And I find that a problem because I want you to learn it. So um I have a plan. My plan is to um there's a couple of things. When I'm going to finish the midterms grades, I'm going to put them in. If you want to keep that grade, that's your grade. If you would like to retake the midterm and keep the higher of the two grades, I will do that as well. Now, when will that be? That will be the week after spring break. The exact time is to be determined. It will be proctored. It will not be in the Valencia Testing Center. I can't use them anymore. I will proctor you on Zoom, or I'll have a proctor you on Zoom. Um, and you'll have to, come for that. But if you want that, then I will set the time and you come to that, and I'll watch you take your test to make sure that it's proctored. And I'm going to write a new test. And if you want that option, you can do that. Um, some of y'all will like your grade and you won't want to do that. Some of y'all won't want to fool with it, and that's okay. But if you want this, I'm offering you this. Now, to get you ready for that, this coming week on Monday at 4 o'clock during my office hours, I'm going to be specifically reviewing the midterm, going over the midterm review. If you can't make it Monday and you want to come Tuesday at 11:30, I'll be doing the same thing for Trig. Now, this is online, and I know a lot of you guys are like, this is online. I don't want to have to meet at all. You do not have to meet. This is just to help anybody who wants that. But that would get you ready for spring break. I'm going to let you study over spring break, and the week after spring break, you could retest the midterm. The other material is still going on. Now, after spring break, I want more interaction with you guys. I want more check-ins to see how we're doing, because that's a little wake-up call. Because I think some of y'all are really studying and trying to learn the material. Some of y'all are doing what happens often in an online class, and I've been in online classes, and I know what I do is I just do the bare minimum and I make the due dates, but I don't really learn it. And I want to help with that. So in an effort to help with that, I'm going to be setting a couple of days a week where we meet on Zoom. You do not, this is online. You are not obligated to do any of this, but I want to offer this to those of you who are like, I want a little help here. I want a little check in here. You don't have to stay the whole time, but I'm going to say, for now, just to kick something out there, I'm going to say, Mondays at 4 and Tuesdays at 11:30, similar to this. Now, if those are bad times and you really, really want to come, tell me what a good time for you is, and I can adjust those. But we need a starting place we need a ball to kick around. So I'm throwing this ball out there to say Monday at 4, Tuesday at 11:30. These will be my two times to meet with you guys. If those are not good times, you just got to tell me I want a different time. Anyway, I'm going to be setting that up. So if you look at the Zoom link on this email, that is where you can find me this coming Monday and this coming Tuesday to be reviewing the midterm with you. Now the midterm, the time that I set for the midterm, after spring break, I got to think about when I have some proctoring help for that. And so I will set that. It will be one time, and you'll have to make arrangements to come and that sort of thing, because it's not as I'm one person, I'm not a testing center. And this is just to try to help you help your grade. Okay. All right. I hope you're doing well. I hope I get to see some of you this coming week, and be safe on spring break, whether I see you or not. I'm thinking about you. And thank you. I hope to be seeing some or all of you in the future. Take care.